Hey everybody, what's up? It's TT Nugs, your neighborhood arbanista, coming to you with your tip of the day. Today I'm going to show you what I do to get out the door in 3 minutes or less with my shake in hand.
Okay, this is the cabinet where I store all of my Arbonne for my shakes. I have my multivitamin powder, my fiber boost, my vanilla, and my chocolate. So it would take a lot of time to take all of that out every day. So this is my solution. I have these containers, and on the weekends I pre-measure my scoop of vanilla, scoop of chocolate, fiber boost, and multivitamin powder. I put it in these handy dandy little containers. So in the morning, all I have to do is grab one, dump it in my blender with my fruit and my milk, and blend it, and I'm done in 3 minutes or less.